Yeah.
And proceed and C track to the left at E a 20-meter circle. We are fine. So a little bit playing with the band here, that you get him in the circle band. We are fine. Good, like this. You see, the moment you put the little band, then he stretches already down. And then you go, where are we? Now you go along the long side, and then at A, a 20-meter circle, and in the second part of the circle, you ask for canter. In the second part. So first trot. And now you would prepare for canter. Good. And then go along the long side. And at B,
Nice.
at B a half circle 20 meter. Now half circle 20 meter and go along the long side. And between E and K back to trot. And trot. And between, and then a 20-meter circle. And let him stretch down.
Where?
At A, 20 meter and let him stretch down. Do another circle, 20 meter. And low hands, little bit playing with the band, here like this. Go to another circle, little bit playing with the band. So a little bit head to the left and giving, head to the left and giving. And then between A and F, walk, medium walk. And diagonal free walk. The whole diagonal free walk. Good. Here fine. Good. Here is nicely stretching. Really good. And then at H you pick up the reins and go medium walk. At C go trot. And at B a 20-meter circle. So now pick up the reins and then go trot at C. Good. And at B a 20-meter circle. We are fine. And then at B straight ahead. And at A a 20-meter circle. And in the second half of the 20-meter circle, you try to pick up the canter right lead. And canter, up, counter canter. Then probably wait until you come into the corner there.
Okay.
And pick it up in the corner.
Okay.
So go trot, and although you are on a circle, go in the corner, and then you pick up the canter rightly. Good shifting your weight to the right, and canter. Good. Here fine. Good. So good right leg, right leg, right leg, left leg with feeling in the rear position. Now, good. And along the long side. And at E, a half circle, 20 meter. Now turn. Good, turn, turn both reins to the right. And back to trot. And straight, straight, straight. Yeah, I should have said straight. Good. And then you go along the long side, between B and F, we had the transition, and A down center line. Here fine. Good. 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 You're fine. Right. And walk and walk. Good. You're fine. One little bit more on the right front. You're fine. Great, great. Good. You're fine.